Ready for a quick arm transformation? This 7-day challenge will give you amazing results with just a few simple moves. In today's video, we're diving into a straightforward 7-day challenge designed to transform your arms. These moves are easy to follow, but incredibly effective. Perfect for anyone looking to see noticeable changes in just 1 week. Tip 1. First, try adding basic bodyweight exercises like push-ups and tricep dips. These exercises are key because they engage multiple arm muscles simultaneously, helping you build strength and definition quickly. Tip 2. Next, include resistance band exercises in your routine. Resistance bands are versatile and can intensify your workouts, which boosts muscle growth and toning. Which move are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Tip 3. Incorporate supersets into your workouts. Tearing exercises like bicep curls with tricep extensions keeps your arms under tension longer, which can lead to faster results. Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best HIIT workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Now, let's get to the final tip. Tip 4. Finally, don't overlook the importance of proper hydration and nutrition. Drinking plenty of water and eating a balanced diet supports muscle recovery and growth, helping you achieve better results. To recap, these 4 tips: bodyweight exercises, resistance band workouts, supersets, and proper nutrition are your keys to transforming your arms in just 7 days. Try them out and see the difference for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone who's ready for a quick arm makeover. See you in the next video.